Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Odoo CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you import or upload your contacts into your Odoo CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your contacts into your Odoo CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to different software. So you want to be sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Odoo CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Odoo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and import your contacts, you're going to click on this contacts button right here in green. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all the contacts you have in your Odoo CRM. However, to import a spreadsheet or upload your contacts, up here on the top left, you're going to click on this little gear icon. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this Import Records. Okay, once you click there, you're going to be on the Upload section. They do let you know it should be an Excel file, but if not, you can do .csv. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my spreadsheet by clicking on this Upload Data File here on the top left. Okay, I chose the file. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and map this out. So here is the Odoo field, and then here is my field right here on the left. So I'm going to go ahead and match this up. It looks like it already matched up my email to the Odoo email, phone number as well. So I'm going to go through this and do it one by one. Okay, so once you've mapped out all the fields that you want to import into your Odoo CRM, click on this import button here on the top left. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you can see that we have imported and uploaded all of our contacts from our spreadsheet into our Odoo CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your contact list into your Odoo CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.